This is going to be a Berry-licious 3D resin bloom tutorial in our Crystal Edge square mold. I'm using resin inks by Octopus Fluids in Sweet Cherry, Aronia, and Beetroot, and I'm using craft resin, which I'm trying out. I mixed up 3 ounces for the bottom, 2 for the bottom, and about 0.68 ounces for my white that I'm mixing 6 drops of Castin craft into, in case I didn't show it there. And here I'm already starting the pour, just putting the resin in the bottom. I did this in my bubbler at 30C, and 5 minutes later it came out at 36C, and at 41C I poured on the bottom. The resin was getting hot and thick. And I'm adding a little bit of crushed glass and glitter right there. For the white, I waited till it was about 40 degrees Celsius before I put it in the piping bag. There's the white. I do believe I show the heat or the measurement. It's about 40, 41. I start off with the Sweet Cherry, and these are the resin inks, not alcohol inks, so they are much more concentrated. You do not need a lot of them. And the colors usually don't dissipate, although I did find in this resin they started to dissipate a little bit, which I don't understand why. Craft resin is a low viscosity resin, and it does tend to heat up fast. I don't know why. Anyhow, there I am drawing the little circles with the piping bag. I had 0.68 ounces of resin with 6 drops of Castin craft in it. And this mold holds about 9.5 ounces to fill it. The colors aren't moving that much, although they are spreading a little bit. And these are, I called it Berry-licious because it's pinks and purples. And here, because it's a square mold, I'm just drawing in from the corners. Taking that darker color in towards the center, and then I'll move the lighter color Sweet Cherry out to the edges. These flower pours are simple and easy to do. I've tried these in low viscosity, tabletop resin, even Art Pro resin, which is a medium viscosity, and it works every time. You just have to wait for the resin to set up. And there I'm going in a little bit and just pulling some of the pink out through the white, because I have been, in the past 2 pours, I've been doing my white a little bit heavier. I used to only do 2 drops, and now I'm doing 6 drops for 0.68 ounces, which is about 20 ml. Not rocket science, but they do produce beautiful blooms. After this resin is set up, I mixed up about 6.12 ounces of JDiction high gloss resin, and I put Black Pearl Mica by Art Pro, 12 scoops of that, and 2 scoops of Antique Silver Mica by Pearl X, and there's some ultrafine glitter by Let's Resin there. I do love this Black Pearl Mica because it's not a black, it's like a gray black that has kind of a silvery sheen, and I think adding that antique silver to it made it a little bit more silver. And then you just pour it on the back. And the 6.12 ounces plus the original 3-ish that I did was perfect for this size mold. Sorry for my hand always getting in the shot there. I didn't speed anything up here. Once that's cured, it's time to demold. I love how this thicker white is turning out, and that is a Berry-licious bloom, don't you think? Let us know what you think in the comments below.